Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm so glad you're here, and I'd love it if you'd take a second to like and subscribe for more recipes. Cheers. So today we're gonna make this Moroccan inspired fish stew that is just full of flavor and perfect with a toasted piece of bread. Start with a few tablespoons of olive oil in your stock pot and go ahead and add a finely diced yellow onion and get that sauteing over medium heat. Once the onions appear translucent, you can add in a chopped potato and mix that around for a few minutes. Next, we'll add in a few tablespoons of flour, and this is just going to help to thicken our stew up. Mix the flour in with the onions and the potatoes and olive oil to get it evenly coated so that we don't have any clumps of flour. Next, I'm going to add one chopped preserved lemon, some minced garlic, minced ginger, and our squash and zucchini, as well as 3 bay leaves and some seasoning. I'm using smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix everything around until it's evenly distributed before adding in our tomato puree, chicken stock, and fresh herbs. At this point, you're going to cover your stew and let it cook until the veggies are fully cooked through. Then we'll add in our seafood. I'm using mussels, shrimp, cod, and scallops. You'll turn off the heat, cover it until the seafood is completely cooked through, and then you're ready to serve. I like to serve with some fresh herbs on top, a drizzle of olive oil, and of course, some toasted bread. Enjoy!